Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 update error code, that is 0x80240034. Now the first step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, you can copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can update. Now if the scans are stuck, you can follow the next step. Next step is to type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Find background intelligent transfer service, again make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, and then make a right click on background intelligent transfer service, click on restart. Now once done, scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will find Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, again set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on restart. Once this is done, you can go back. If you see retry option, you can try to update it again and then check. Still not working, go to Windows Update, and over here you can see pause update option. Click on pick a date. You can select any date, pause the update. Once the update is paused, resume updates and let the update install. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here you can write on the name of the update. For example, whichever update you are unable to install, you can write on the name of the update over here. This is just an example. You can write on the update which you are not able to install, and then click on search. Type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command, check your Windows version. In my case it's version 25H2. Now open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option and check your system type. Now for me it's 64-bit operating system x64. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. Now if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. Click on download and then click on the update you are unable to install. Click on that update and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, restart your PC and then check. Next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. If not working, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, now you can update. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Click on media creation tool, download now over here, and then you can run this exe file. Once you run this exe file, click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file, click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can check. Now still not working. The last step is to update BIOS. Now this has worked for a few players, so it might work for you. So go to your system manufacturer website. So if you have a Dell computer, go to Dell. If you have Lenovo computer, go to Lenovo. If you have HP computer, go to HP. So for example, I have a Dell computer, so go to Dell. If you have Lenovo, HP computer, go to HP website. Select your model number. Make sure that you select your computer. This is just an example. Select your model number. Make sure that you select your model, your series over here. Once you select your model number, go to drivers and download. So find the download page, drivers page. and then you can search for select your right operating system, select Windows 11 if you have Windows 11, and then you can find the BIOS. You can download the BIOS and then you can run the file. Now before you update the BIOS, make sure the battery, in case of laptop, battery is charged. You have enough battery, and the AC adapter, the charger, is connected to the computer when you update the BIOS. After the BIOS update, the system will restart. Do not unplug the power cable when it's updating the BIOS. After the BIOS update, you can update your Windows and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this error code. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.